Hi, I'm Elaine and welcome to my kitchen. Well, today we're going to do a creamed spinach casserole. Now, vegetable casseroles are very popular here in the South, and we take them to a lot of potluck and church dinners and things like that, and they usually go over very, very well. This creamed spinach casserole, I actually had gotten the recipe from a lady at our church that brought it to a church dinner one time, and I thought it was really good. So I asked her for the recipe and she gave it to me. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I have sprayed, this is about, I'd say a 2-quart casserole dish. I have sprayed with cooking spray. Now you can double the ingredients in this recipe and you can get a full 9 by 13 baking dish, but since it's just me and my husband, I cut the recipe in half, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. So let's get started. Let me turn you down here so you can see what's going on. Okay. Now in my strainer here I have a 10-ounce package of spinach that I have cooked according to package directions, and I have drained really, really well. So you want to get this as dry as you possibly can before you mix the other ingredients together. Alright, and then what I have here is 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, and I'm just going to spoon that right in. We have 1 beaten egg, and I'm just going to dump that in as well. This is really an easy casserole to do, and like I say, it does go over very well at potluck dinners and things like that. Okay, and let me get a spoon so I can get that. This is a can of cream of mushroom soup. I just want to use a spoon and get that out. And then to that I'm going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm going to add just a little bit of garlic powder. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 1/4 teaspoon or so. You can add more if you like it. You pretty well add the garlic powder to taste, so if you like a lot, you can add a lot and it won't hurt a thing. And it's the same with the pepper. We're going to add pepper to taste. Alright, and I'm just going to stir this together just using a spatula. We're going to mash that to get that cream cheese, that softened cream cheese and everything mixed together. Alright, looking really good. It smells really good too. If you like spinach, you probably will really like this recipe. And especially if you like cream spinach, and I do like cream spinach a lot. Now, husband doesn't like cream spinach as well as I do. He prefers his spinach just, regular cooked on the stove. And I usually, when I use canned spinach, I usually use a little bit of butter and a little bit of salt, and then I just cook it down to where it's almost dry, and that's the way he likes it. Okay, let's see. There you go. There's the casserole. You see how easy that was, and like I say, this doubles, so if you did need to make a lot for any kind of a get-together, it's really, really easy. In fact, I might make one over the weekend. I do have a get-together. It will be my mother-in-law's 94th birthday. So I have a get-together with the family this weekend for her birthday. So this might be a good thing to bring. They asked me to bring a vegetable. And like I say, I can always double this and make a lot. Okay, we're just going to spread this into this casserole dish. You see, this little 2-quart casserole dish worked out really well for just the 2 of us. Just get that off of that spatula. We don't want to lose any of this. It is really, really good. Okay, I'm going to set that aside for a minute, and now in this I have, this was one sleeve. Oh, my dog's barking. UPS is here. I'm sorry about that. This was one sleeve of Ritz crackers. Hold on a minute. I'm going to stop the camera while she barks. Be right back. Okay, I'm sorry about that. She seems to think that the UPS truck is going to in some way attack us or something like that. She's got to protect us from that menacing UPS truck. She's not even concerned about the driver. She's just concerned about that truck. So that's a dog for you, I guess. But anyway, okay, back to this. I have one sleeve of, this was Townhouse crackers. You can use Ritz or any kind of round buttery cracker that you like. And this was one sleeve, and then this is 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Let me see. Okay, and I'm just going to mix that together, and this is going to be our topping for this casserole. And get this mixed together good with I'm just going to use my hand and mix it together. Alright, let's pull this back over. There's the casserole. Alright. And we're just going to sprinkle the topping on. Alright. It's looking really good. Okay, and we're just going to kind of spread it out to thin. Spread it out evenly here. Alright, there it is. So there is our casserole. Okay, and I'm going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then just till it gets browned and bubbly, whichever comes first. So when this gets done, I will be back with you. Okay, our spinach casserole, our cream spinach casserole is done. And let me just turn you down so you can see what it looks like. Okay, there it is. And it smells absolutely delicious. It's got a real buttery smell because of those crackers that we put on it. So I am going to just lift some out. You see, that's what it looks like. And I'm going to put a little bit right there on that plate. It is very, very hot. I probably should have let it cool down some, but I didn't. But anyway, let me turn you back up so I can talk to you. Okay, so there's, again, what it looks like. And I am just going to take a little sample of it. Don't want to get burned. It is very, very hot. Just came out of the oven. That is way, way beyond good. So I hope that you'll try that recipe. Especially next time you got to go to a potluck, you can double it, and it would be a wonderful recipe to take along anywhere like that. I say I may just take it. I have a birthday dinner for my mother-in-law this weekend, so I may just take it for that. So anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. And if you did and you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and then also share it with someone if you know someone that would enjoy it. So, okay, so, well, y'all have a great rest of the week, and I thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.